Hey guys, this is Baby Snow. Welcome back to my channel. Sa video na to, papaliwanag natin kung paano mo ba ma-maximize yung earnings dito kay Polcash. Okay, so we all know that Polcash is about staking. Okay, this is daily ROI platform. This is purely passive income. Okay, so ang maganda dito, kahit wala kang invite, pwede kang kumita. And when we compare this to other centralized projects, doon kumikita tayo passive income. Okay, nagko-compounding din tayo. Ang kaibahan nga lang, yung mga projects na yun ay nagsipagsara na. 'Di ba? So, dito hindi mangyayari yan kasi this is purely decentralized and verified smart contract. So, kita natin, very transparent yung platform. Lahat ng transactions ay makikita mo dito sa Polygon Scan. Okay? So, ito ang smart contract ni Polcash. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito yung mga investments, yung mga withdrawals, and most especially yung funds na circulating sa loob ng Polcash. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kita mo dyan kung very stable pa ba or tagilid na si Polcash. So, sabi ko nga, parang nagsisimula pa lang si Polcash kasi just recently, dun sa upload ko, okay, dito naging open na si Polcash worldwide. Okay, kaya naman, yung mga nasa Pinas, ngayon pa lang nila sinisimulan si Polcash. And not just that, meron akong business partner, no? Canadian siya. So, nag-send siya sa akin ng referral link. Okay, akala niya hindi ko pinopromote si Polcash. So, sinendan niya ako ng link and sabi niya, this is a great project daw to generate Polygon. And, yun, syempre sabi ko, oh, that's great news. And I know about Polcash. So, hindi niya alam, ay ako yung nag-launch nito kasama ni Dev. No, ang developer kasi nito is same sa developer ni OP Bull at ni BNB Cash. So, si Polcash ay ni-launch nung 4 weeks ago. Okay, so nag-upload ako ng video marketing plan, no, ni Polcash. And then, yun nga lang, hindi agad nakapasok yung mga nasa Pinas kasi nabablock yung kanilang mga IP address. So, just recently, we found out na it's because of the hosting provider. So, that's why gumawa ng paraan si Dev para masolusyonan yung blocking of IP address kasi hindi makapasok yung mga nasa Pinas natin. And good news, okay, nagkaroon nga ako ng in-upload dito na gagamit ng VPN. So, yung iba nakapasok naman, but yung iba, unfortunately, hindi talaga nakapasok. So, tumagal siya ng mga 2 weeks, 3 weeks, bago na solusyonan, no, yung problema sa IP address. Pero, end of the day, good news na kasi open na si Polcash worldwide. Kaya naman, ayan, even without using VPN, makakapag-stake na kayo. Okay? So, napaka-powerful ng project na to, very stable, and ngayon pa lang siya nagte-trending. Kaya naman sumabay na kayo. And another great news is si Paul ay bumubulusok na, guys. So, eto na siya. Nasa 30 pesos na ang isa. Okay? Almost. So, dati, nung isang araw, nasa ano lang yan, naglalaro sa 18 to 23 pesos per Polygon token. Pero ngayon, guys, ayan, bumubulusok na siya. And, grabe po. Kaya, ngayon pa lang, dapat ay nag-generate na tayo ng maraming Pol token. Ang maganda dito kay Polcash, unlike any other platforms, dito na kahit hindi ka nag-i-invite, automatic may earnings ka daily. Very passive yan. So, what makes this platform stable? Okay? Kasi syempre, tanong natin yan and very concerned tayo dyan kasi baka mamaya matulad din ito sa mga nagsara na mga platforms, yung mga staking or ROI platforms. So, very different ito, guys, kasi ito nga, sabi ko nga, it's a purely decentralized and verified smart contract. So, kahit mawala man itong platform na to, through the smart contract, pwede tayong mag-interact. Okay? Pwede tayong mag-withdraw. So, i-click mo lang tong contract. And then, dito sa write contract, okay? I-connect mo lang siya sa, ayan, connect natin, no? I-click mo lang yung connect to Web3, tapos select mo yung wallet. MetaMask, I'm using MetaMask. So, i-connect lang natin yan. And then, pwede na tayo mag-withdraw. So, dalawa lang yung option, invest or withdraw. Kung gusto mong mag-withdraw, i-click mo lang itong withdraw na yan and then click on Right. So, automatic, i-confirm mo lang siya doon sa iyong mga wallet. Tapos, mawi-withdraw mo na siya. So, ibig sabihin, kahit mawala man yung website, ay mawi-withdraw pa rin natin yung earnings yung earnings natin dito. Okay? And then, pwede pa rin nating ipagpatuloy. And by the way, which is never namang mangyayari yan sa platform na to. Kasi trusted na natin at kilala na natin si developer. Okay? So, another thing is, what makes Polcash stable? Okay? Hindi siya katulad ng iba na mga high yields. Nakikita ka ng 3%, 5%, 10% per day, which will end up to scam. Bakit? Kasi overpaid. 'Di ba? Sobrang laki, which is very impossible na. Hindi talaga masusustain ng project yon. Dito kay Polcash, very stable kasi there is a contract, okay? Ayan, based sa plan na kukunin mo. Sa silver, minimum of 5 lang, up to 499, kikita na yan ng 2.3% per day. Tapos, 161%. It means, in 70 days, i-divide mo yung 161%. Ibig sabihin yan, in 2 months and 10 days, ay 61% lang ang kikitain ng capital mo. Kasi yung 100%, that's your capital. Okay? So, tandaan natin, included na dito yung earnings, pati yung capital. Okay? So, kung gusto mong mas malaki yung iyong earnings daily, dito ka sa gold plan. Dagdagan mo na yung capital na ilalagay mo. So, pag 500 yan, up to 2,499, kikita ka ng 2.8% per day for 55 days. So, after 55 days, tapos na yung pag-earn mo daily. Okay? So, ang balik nun is total of 154%. So, basically, kumita ang pera mo ng 54% kasi yung 100 is your capital. So, in 55 days yon. Ibig sabihin, hatiin mo yung 54% sa 55 days. So, parang 1% per day. Okay? Pero, ang importante naman dyan is yung stability ng company. 'Di ba? So, ito pa yung another option mo, which is dagdagan mo lang yung capital ng 2,500, gawin mo siyang 2,500 para nasa diamond package ka, mas malaki yung daily profit mo, which is 3.3% per day. Okay? Tapos mas maigsi lang yung contract niya, for 40 days lang yan. So, for 40 days, kikita yan ng 132%. So, basically, kumita ang capital mo ng 32% in 1 month and 10 days. So, kapag kinompute mo siya, less than 1% per day. Pero, goods na rin yan. Bakit? Kasi, saan ka makakita 1% or sabihin na natin less than 1% per day. Tapos, nasa smart contract. Walang nagko-control ng withdraw na to. Okay? Kasi sa mga centralized projects, like yung MetaMask, at saka yung Smart AI GPT, okay, yung mga exit scam nila, 'di ba? Magpapa-promo and then later on hindi mo na ma-withdraw, 'di ba? So yun ang mga kinakatakutan natin. Pero dito hindi mangyayari 'yan kasi connected to sa wallet mo, okay? In just a click of a button, hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng ilang oras bago dumating yung iyong withdrawals kasi ito nasa contract na 'yan, yung pinakita ko na to kanina. Okay? So nandito 'yan, ayan yung total balance. So, once na nag-click ka nito, connected siya sa smart contract, dun lang kukuha yon tapos pasok na agad dito sa wallet mo. Okay? So, yan yung mga advantage, no, ng isang smart contract. And then, kumbaga wala kang ipag-aalala na baka hindi ka na maka-withdraw, 'di ba? Or baka naman mag-close or tumakas, no, yung kasi wala talaga magtatakas ng pera natin dahil even the developer, hindi niya ma-access tong smart contract na to. Okay, nandito lahat ng ating mga nagsisirculate, lahat ng investments, lahat ng mga withdrawals, transactions, nandito lahat, very transparent. Okay? And as what I've seen recently, since nung na-open ito worldwide, talagang nagte-trending na siya. So, dumadami yung mga stakers, yung mga investors. Kaya naman, nagiging mas stable pa yung project. So, ito para to sa mga busy, no, na gustong kumikita pa rin kahit na natutulog, 'di ba? So kahit busy, kahit na may ginagawa, 'di ba, may ibang main projects. So dito, magge-generate pa rin yung inyong mga Pol token, ilagay mo lang siya diyan, select plan, and 'yun, magge-generate na siya daily. Okay? And then, ito yung tip ko sa inyo. Paano mo ba mamamaximize yung earnings? Kasi syempre, hindi ganun kalakihan, 'di ba? So, sa iba, nasanay sa mga high yields, okay? So, maliliitan sila dito. But for me, this is good enough. Mas mainam na yung ganyan. At least stable, 'di ba? Hindi ka matatakot na mababaliwala yung pinaghirapan mong pera. So, ito yung magandang strategy. Okay, since alam naman natin na this is for long term and this is very passive, pwede tayong mag-compounding. This is compounding capable. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang is, syempre, i-withdraw mo muna yung iyong earnings dyan. And then, every time na meron kang 5 Paul token minimum, okay, mas maganda kung mas mataas yan, ay pwede mo na siyang i-stake ulit. Okay? So, ang compounding dito, walang compounding button ha. Kailangan mo munang i-withdraw and then i-stake mo siya. Okay? So, ang amount na required para pwede kang makapag-compounding daily is 220. Okay? So, compute natin 220 times 2.3%. So, that's 5.06. So, ibig sabihin, may nakuha mo na yung minimum amount to stake. Okay? So, that way, makakapag-compounding ka daily. Alright, so 220 Paul token. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo yung power of compounding. Okay? So punta tayo dito sa daily compound interest. So, okay, so ang capital natin, so since it's not a dollar, it's a Paul token. So click natin to and then 220 no, yung minimum amount para makapag daily compounding tayo. So interest rate is 2.3% per day. Okay? And then, for how many days? That's 70 days. Okay? Ayan, 70 days for silver package. So, balik tayo dito. So, ito, include all days of the week, yes. Daily reinvest rate, 100%, yes. So, hindi na tayo mag-a-add ng additional contribution. So, nagko-compounding lang. So, i-calculate natin yan kung magkano. Okay? So, by January, ang magiging investment value mo na is 1,080. Okay? So, this is 391.2% versus dito no na 161% lang kapag invest, wait, and earn ka lang. Okay? Pag hindi ka nag-compounding, after 70 days, ang total ng earnings mo or ROI mo is 161%. Pero kapag nag-compounding ka, pag kinompounding mo siya, nasa x3 yan, times 3. 'Di ba? So, sa 220 Paul token na capital lang yan. And, walang involved na invite dito. Okay? So, very powerful ang compounding. So, how much more kung gagawin mo yan dito sa Diamond Plan? Okay? Ang minimum ng Diamond Plan is 2,500. So, let's compute. Okay? Pagka nag-ano ka ng diamond pack. So, how much is that? 2,500. Okay? Malaki to, guys. So, ang percentage niya per day is 3.3 daily. Okay? This is for 40 days. Ayan, 40 days lang siya pag dito sa diamond. So, that's all part of the stability ng platform. Okay? So, include all days. Yes. And then 100%. Alright, so let's calculate this. There you go. So, yung 2.5 mo guys, in just 40 days, can you imagine? It will accumulate to 9,161 Paul token. Can you imagine that? So, napakalupit, no? Napakalaki ng difference ng nagko-compounding dito sa nag-wait and earn ka lang. Kasi dito, 132% lang ang balik ng 2,500 mo. Okay? So, dito guys, ayan, no? Ang laki ng pinagkaiba niya. So, tapos napakaigsi lang ng contract. Hindi ka kailangan maghintay ng 1 year o kaya naman ay 6 months, 'di ba? Just 40 days. Okay? So, that's good news and napaka-powerful talaga ng compounding. So, kung hindi mo kaya ng 2,500, pwede kang maglagay dito sa gold package which is 500 up to 2,499 Paul token. So, ayan yung range niya ha. Makikita niyo naman lahat dito sa dashboard nyo. So, napaka-powerful ng compounding. Pwede nyo i-apply sa gold package, lalong-lalo na sa diamond package. And sa silver package naman, kailangan at least 220 para makapag-compounding ka daily. So, napaka-powerful din nun kasi 300 plus, 390% ba yun? So, napakalaki ng difference talaga. So, nasa strategy lang yan. And again, pwede nyo namang bisitahin lagi yung contract para makita nyo kung very stable yan, no? Kung lumalago or malapit nang maubos, 'di ba? But I think sa nangyayari ngayon kay Polcash community, mas lalo siyang nagte-trending worldwide. So ibig sabihin, parang nag-i-start pa lang to, mas padami pa ng padami yung mga investors natin. So ibig sabihin, mas lalago pa yung fund natin at yun, maximize natin yung ating earnings. So that's all I have for you guys today with Polcash. And I hope nakita nyo yung benefit, no, at yung kaibahan nito dun sa mga platforms na centralized, na hindi tayo kampante na ilagay yung ating mga hard-earned money kasi anytime ay pwedeng mag-exit. Unlike here, na kitang-kita natin very transparent, tayo mismo yung nagda-drive ng community na to. Okay? So that's all for Polcash. And again, please subscribe to my channel for more updates and tutorials and latest news about these projects. So that's it. Thank you so much. And again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.